What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot out there, known as Patrix Pro, to trade manually. All right, to trade price action. So most of the time, anytime you guys hear of a Forex robot, you think maybe everything is just about automation. He's going to be doing everything. You know, with this robot, this one thing that has made this robot to win almost about 3 years in a row of the best and the most viral profitable Forex robot is because you can also use it to trade manually. You can also use it to trade price action, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys on this video with examples. So come with me on my computer. Anytime you install Patrix Pro, you can see I have Patrix Pro right there. Anytime you drag and drop it on your computer, you change the parameter. The parameter section just looks something like this, all right? Where you change if you want it to be 100% auto, the lower TF, buy, true. There are more than 100 parameters on this particular robot. And if you want a detailed video explaining the parameters, just check the link above to be able to watch a detailed video explaining this parameter. Today, we're going to be focusing on how you can use it to trade manually, all right? So when you already put your desired parameter and click on OK, you're going to have an interface that looks like, I like calling it a cockpit. You know, the cockpit of a plane is always very interesting. When you go to the cockpit, you have the cockpit that looks exactly like this. Okay, on this pair, you can see this pair is actually, can move this down, is EURUSD, that's gold. So on gold, you can actually, you don't even need, the time frame doesn't matter because you're going to see everything here. You're going to see everything on this bar, on this time frame bar right here. I call it the time frame power. The time frame power bar, you're going to see everything right here. Simple, you're going to see it here. Good. So how can you use it to trade manually? How can you use this tool to trade price action? That's what we're going to be focusing on. And one of the most important things that even if you go to the Patrix Pro Discord community, you will see hundreds of traders. When they buy the robot, they just want to use it for their price action. All right, they want to use it as a trade assistant. One thing you need to understand, a robot is not just there for you to just leave everything in the hands of the robot. You can also use it as a trade assistant. So here, this is just our dashboard where you can see our balance. This is just my $55,000 account. You can see I don't have any trade because today is Saturday. But how can I use it to trade manually? Now, let's just say I'm someone who trades using top-down analysis, right? I'm just going to use an example. Top-down analysis where before I take a trade, if I say today I want to trade on a 1 hour time frame, I can start doing my analysis on maybe the daily time frame or maybe the 4 hour time frame. Good. So I open my computer that day and I want to trade on what? I want to trade on the 1 hour time frame. What I can use this tool to do is to first of all determine the trend direction on the 1 hour time frame. Can you see on the 1 hour time frame, this tool, right from the 1 minute time frame to the monthly time frame, is going to tell you the exact thing that is happening on that time frame. Within milliseconds, the robot is going to analyze the entire market to tell you what's happening. That's why you can see M1, M15 from the 1 minute time frame right up to the monthly time frame. You can see it right here. This one, the market is buying here, meaning the market is bullish. From the 1 hour time frame to the monthly, the market is bullish. And before the market closed on Friday, from the 5 minute to the 30 minute, the market was already dropping. That's why you can even see it here. That was the market dropping right there. And you can see right on your chart. So you don't even need to be guessing. You see everything right here. So I opened my chart that day and I want to only trade on the 1 hour time frame. How can I use Patrix Pro to make a better price action decision? 1 hour time frame, once I can already confirm, voila, the market is buying on the 1 hour time frame. But before I place a trade on the 1 hour time frame, I want to make sure the market is also buying on the higher time frame next to that, which is the 4 hour time frame. So I check my 4 hour time frame and boom, that is it. I check my 4 hour time frame and I confirm that the market is doing what? That the market is also buying on what? On the 4 hour time frame. That's when I'll confidently start looking for what? I'll confidently start looking for a sell opportunity, a buy opportunity on the 1 hour time frame. And how can I look for this buy opportunity on the 1 hour time frame? I can then use my Fibonacci and wait for the market to retrace to either my 31% level, 31, 50 or 68, 38, 50 or 61% level, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's just open another pair and then I'm going to show you the typical example on what I'm saying. I want to still open gold. Since with gold, we can just still explain the same thing. Let's go to chart window. We're going to put this on full screen, and then we're going to go to template. 1023 is right here. Voila. So remember when we were explaining, this is exactly where we were, right? We were somewhere. I'm just going to put this. Sometimes I like using trading view for analysis, because you can easily just come in and you'll be able to, you know, put your tools. Okay. All right. So by the time we're explaining, we're somewhere here, right? So you've already confirmed that what is happening, that the 4-hour time frame is buying and the 1-hour time frame is buying. So where do you jump into this particular trend? You can actually bring your fibs from here, from the most significant swing low to the most significant swing high, and you wait for the market to do what? To pull back to the 38% level, and then this and close as a bullish candle. This is where you're going to be entering into the trade. So can you see how I'm using this? I'm using Patrix Pro to trade price action. All right, I'm using it. So you only enter here. Stop loss will go here, and you go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Let's use trading view so that you guys can see it very, very clearly. All right. Let's use trading view so that you guys can see this very, very, very clearly. I just want to go to the N, so that you guys can see. Let me remove this one. I don't actually need market sessions. I don't also need Frata. So let's also remove. I need just these two moving averages. As simple as this is the same example right here. All right. So what I'm just going to do is, sorry about that. Let's remove this one. Let's also remove this one, and let's remove this one. We can drop it to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. Let's confirm the time frame here is also 1 hour. Perfect. So let's go back here, and I'm going to show you guys the same example, the same example. We have our most recent swing low right here. This is it right here. We have our most recent swing high right here. All right. By the time we determine whether the market was buying or selling, we already confirmed on the 4-hour time frame that the market was buying. So we were somewhere here that time. So let's just go on strategy replay trading, and then we're going to launch this, start it right here. All right, let's start it right there, and then we're going to push this right here. Let's push this right here, and then we're just going to minimize this, and then we play the chart to see what happened. Can you see that? So we're just playing to see where the market, where we can bring in our fibs. Remember, for the fibs, you need the most recent swing low and most recent swing high. So we are just looking for our most recent swing high to bring in our fibs. So we keep going until we see that big dip, and then we can say, okay, this is our most recent swing high. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. So for now, you can already see very, very clearly that this was our most recent swing high. This was our most recent swing low. So I can bring in my fib from here right up to here. Then I just leave it there. I'm waiting for the market to push back. This is my 38% level, my 50% level, or my 61% level. I'm just waiting for the market to push back to any of those levels and then close bullish. And that's where I'm going to be entering on a buy. Remember, I've already used Patrix Pro to confirm that the market is buying on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. So that's why I'm using this tool to be able to look for that buy opportunity. So let's continue our replay to see what happened after that. Let's see. Okay, I can see this, but let's continue. Let's see what happened after that. Okay, I can see this one. I would have comfortably entered on this trade somewhere here. I would have entered on a long somewhere here. My stop loss just below this week. So I would have been risking what number of pips? I would have been risking about let's just say I would have been risking about 100 pips on this one, about 100 pips on this to go for 200 pips. So I just drag this risk to reward of 1:2. Boom, that's a risk to reward of 1:2. So let's play to see. You can see. So I have used Patrix Pro to confirm the market direction on the 4-hour time frame, and then I've also now moved down to the lower time frame, and I'm using my idea of price action to enter the trade. I want to only trade in the direction of the overall trend. All right. So by now, it would have already been in the trade by almost about 40 pips. So let's continue playing to see what happened after that. We are almost hitting our TP. Let's go. The market start dropping against us. Let's go. The market start dropping. Let's go. Boom. That's it. We just hit our TP and that is it. All right. By the time we hit our TP, if you can go back now, you've just made 2%. I'm just risking 1% to go for 2%. If now you can go back to, let's just minimize this. Okay, not that one. Where were we? Okay, let's go back to this one. Let's minimize this one instead. If we can minimize this one and go back to the same one having the robot, we would have been around this area here. Around this area, if you can remove this bar, would have been around this area. And now you can see how Patrix Pro has helped us to be able to enter the trade. First, Patrix Pro was able to tell us the market direction on the overall trend, and then we moved down to the lower time frame and we're only looking for a trade in that particular direction. Let's use another pair that has a different signal settings on different time frames so that we can have another example, right? This is EURUSD. Let's just use EURUSD. We drag Patrix Pro, drop it on the chart, and we click on OK. It takes you less than 1 second or less than 5 seconds, and Patrix Pro has only analyzed on all time frame, and instead the Patrix Pro is able to give us what's actually happening. So the same thing, let's just say you want to trade on the 5-minute time frame. You do the same thing. Maybe you are using the 1 hour time frame as your overall, the bigger time frame, and then the lower time frame where you want to execute your trade. What you do is you just go on the 1 hour time frame. You've confirmed that the market is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. You go to the 5-minute time frame. You're only looking for buy opportunities. All right, you're only looking for buy opportunities on the 5-minute time frame. So let's go back again to trading view. Go to EURUSD. And then we can just go, let's go 1 hour time frame. We've already confirmed that the 1 hour time frame was buying, right? So we need to drop this on the 5-minute time frame, which we're going to be taking our trade, and we're going to delete any other indicator on this chart. Good. So this is the 5-minute time frame. Let's make it big so that you guys can see. Let's make it very big so that you guys can see. On the 5-minute time frame, we are only looking for what? We are only looking for buy opportunities. That's it. That's the only thing we are looking for, buy opportunities. Okay, that's it. So by the time, let's just say somewhere here, I'm going to show you guys. By the time we confirm on the 1 hour time frame that the market was bullish, we had this area right here. We were somewhere here. Remember, from the 1 hour time frame, we already know that the market is bullish. So we are only looking for what? We are only looking for buy opportunities on the 5-minute time frame. So let's use again our moving average strategy combined with the Fibonacci, known as the GU-MV arrow, to see when we would have gotten into this trade. So let's continue playing and going. I'm just looking for a typical cross of the candle. Anytime I have a reasonable cross, okay, that wasn't reasonable enough. Let's go. Okay, let's keep going. Good. So the market has tested this area again. You can see this area right here. So I'm just using price action. That's what I'm saying, using Patrix Pro combined with price action. So this area. If I can have a moving average cross now, I'm going to be getting in with a lot of confidence because I know the market has tried its best and the buy momentum keep winning the game. So I'm just looking now for the next cross. Let's go. Okay, not visible enough. Let's go again. That's it. So we're going to be entering in this particular trade right here. So we're going to enter on a buy position right there. Our stop loss, I'm going to be very conservative on this one. I'm just going to be risking about 6 pips to go for about 12 pips. Risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. So let's play to see if we would have hit our take profit on this one. We almost hit stop loss, but you can see we are still safe. Boom, we are still safe on the trade. Voila, we're in profit. Let's go. Let's keep going. All right. So if we're trailing our stop, this one would have been a break-even trade, but you can see it went in our favor, but it retraces and hit our stop loss right here because we should do it as if we're actually trading that day. So this one would have been a loss because it didn't get right up to our take profit. But if we were trailing your stop, it wouldn't have been a loss. It would have been a break even. So I'm just doing that. So long as I've already hit my stop loss right here, we continue. On the 1 hour time frame, we are still very confident that this market is buying. So we are only looking for a buy opportunity again. We continue playing to see if we can get any buy opportunity. Let's go. Voila. So this one I would have entered right here. That's it. I'm just entering on that one right there. That's my stop loss, and I'm going for a risk to reward of 1:2, which is boom. That's 1:2. Let's play to see again if we would have made money on this one. Let's go. Okay, this one again would have been a loss. Why? Because you can see the market immediately push against us. This brings us down to the power of trading with sessions. If you are trading on a lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, you need to trade only during major market sessions like the London session and the New York session. Because if you can check this time, this was 5 a.m. So this is the Asian section. You don't expect a lot of volatility, and you see this will happen a lot. All right. So that's why you see most of the trades I've taken during the Asian session, they were all losers. So most of the time, if you are trading on a lower time frame, be very, very wary of what? Of market session. Only trade during major market sessions. All right. After that, what we can do is you go back any currency pair you want to trade for that day. Let's take a currency pair that doesn't have the United States dollar or Great Britain pound. Let's just use Canadian dollar, KJPY, right? And you put it again on a 1 hour time frame. You bring in Patrix Pro. Automatically, you're going to see what's happening on all time frame. That's it. You're going to see what's happening on that time frame. If you are trading on a 4 hour time frame for that day, or if you want to trade on the 4 hour time frame for that day, then you use the daily time frame as your overall time frame. So now, this is where I want you guys to pay attention. You can see here on the daily time frame what happened. The market was buying. The market was selling, the market was selling on the daily time frame. Meanwhile, on the 4 hour time frame, the market is buying. So this can just be a major retracement on the 4 hour time frame to resume the overall selling trend on the 4 hour time frame. So that one, if you want to trade on the 4 hour time frame, you have to wait until you see this one turn from blue to red. All right, you need to wait until this one turns from green. Is it green or blue? Anyone? You need to wait until this one turns from green to red before you start looking for sell opportunities. Because you can see the overall trend on the 1 hour, on the 4 day, on the daily time frame is a selling trend or is a bearish trend. So this is how you are able to use Patrix Pro to trade manually or to trade technically or to trade price action. There's a lot you can do by just seeing this board here. Because price action, remember, price action 100% is you just being able to determine if the market is bullish or bearish, if supply is in control or demand, if the buyers are in control or the sellers. Full stop. And this tool right here is going to help you to be able to do all of that. This tool right here is going to help you to be able to do all of that. All right. So get Patrix Pro today and also learn, go do back testing, learn how to use this to also trade manually, learn how to use this to also just help you use it as a trade assistant. So you can also check the link below to be able to get Patrix Pro, which you can also use on both your private account and your pro firm account. Patrix Pro is accepted by all pro firms. All pro firms out there will be able to accept you for you to use Patrix Pro, because Patrix Pro doesn't have all these illegal trading strategies like the Martinga, the hedge trading, the tick trading, grid trading, all of that. No, so it will be accepted by all pro firms. Talking about the pro firm, if you want to get funded with my recommended prop firm, check the link below and also check the link below to get yourself a copy of Patrix Pro. Check the links that are going to be coming at the end of the video, because those are videos that will show you Patrix Pro performing live on a live account. Okay, this is a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving 5 lucky winners a 1-month license for Patrix Pro. I already purchased it. It's ready to be sent to you guys. So the only thing you just need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, leave a like on the video, and just comment your thoughts on the video. Comment what you want to see next, or just comment your thoughts. Anything you think about this strategy or anything you think about Patrix Pro, just leave your thoughts on the comment section, your thoughts or your feedback, and I promise I'll reply to every comment on this particular video. And 5 winners are going to be picked, and they'll have 1-month license of Patrix Pro each. So let's go check the videos that are going to be coming at the end of the screen, and also check the link below to get Patrix Pro. Peace.